वेलकम टू लाइफ गाइडर। लाइफ गाइडर में आपका स्वागत है। ये करंट अफेयर की एक और सीरीज़ है जिसमें आपको अबव मेंशन डेट्स के अकॉर्डिंग जो भी इम्पोर्टेंट इवेंट्स हुए हैं जिससे क्वेश्चन पूछे जा सकते हैं आपके एसएससी, यूपीएससी, रेलवे और इसके तरह अदर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम्स में, उसके बारे में आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे। तो चलिए लेट्स स्टार्ट।
Question number 1. Tour de France cycling race postponed from June 27 to which date? The correct answer is option number A, August 29. Next question. Which institute has developed a compact solid state sensor that can detect the heavy metal ions in water? The correct answer is option number A, Center for Nano and Soft Matter Science. Next question. Which institute is currently developing an inactivated virus vaccine for COVID-19? The correct answer is option number A, Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology. Next question. World Hemophilia Day was observed on which date? The correct answer is option number A, 17 April. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new ambassador for Worldwide Fund India's Environment Education Program? The correct answer is option number A, Vishwanath Anand. Next question. The Reserve Bank of India released the 49th round of quarterly obituaries of the manufacturing sector. What is the full form of O in obicus? The correct answer is option number B, order. Obicus full form is Order Books Inventories and Capacity Utilization Survey. Next question. Which country held his annual founding to WHO? The correct answer is option number C, USA. Next question. Who tops Forbes annual worth billionaires list with a net worth of $113 billion? The correct answer is option number B, Jeff Bezos. Amazon founder and CEO Jeff Bezos tops Forbes annual worth billionaires. Next question. Defense Research and Development Organization shifted its testing facility from Defense Research Development Establishment Gwalior to which of the following institution? The correct answer is option number B, Institute of Nuclear Medicine and Allied Sciences, Delhi. Next question. Which institute is to develop plasmonic semiconductor nanomaterials for the removal of toxic organic compounds from water by harvesting solar light? The correct answer is option number B, Institute of Advanced Study in Science and Technology, Assam. Next question. Which state chief minister announced that the doctor will conduct the clinical trial of plasma enrichment technique to treat severely ill coronavirus patient soon? The correct answer is option number D, Delhi. Next question. Central Drug Standard Control Organization has approved how many Indian firms for antibody rapid testing kits for testing COVID-19? The correct answer is option number C, 67. Next question. Government appointed committee of experts headed by IBBI chairperson recommends setting up National Institute of Values. The correct answer is option number B, MS Sahu. IBBI full form Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India. Next question. Mobile phones, televisions, refrigerators, laptops, and stationery items will be allowed to be sold through e-commerce platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, and Snapdeal from which date? The correct answer is option number A, April 20. Next question. The RBI has announced the second set of measures to preserve financial stability and help put money in the hands of the needy and disadvantaged during the extended lockdown due to the COVID-19 crisis. Reserve repo rate has been reduced by how many basis points from 4.0%? The correct answer is option number B, 25 basis points. The Reserve Bank of India has announced the second set of measures to preserve financial stability and help put money in the hands of the needy and disadvantaged during the extended lockdown due to the COVID-19 crisis. Next question. Which country is the most digitally dexterous country in the world according to Gartner 2019 Digital Workplace Survey? The correct answer is option number B, India. India is the most digitally dexterous country in the world. Gartner 2019 Digital Workplace Survey. Next question. Which state CM inaugurated the online delivery website Seaghat, which will facilitate doorstep delivery of fruits and vegetables? The correct answer is option number D, Chhattisgarh. The next question. Which institute has developed a diagnostic test kit that can confirm COVID-19 in 2 hours at a low cost? The correct answer is option number D, Sri Chitra Tirunal Institute for Medical Sciences and Technology, Trivandrum. Next question. Pusa decontamination and sanitizing tunnel are developed by the Division of Agriculture Engineering India Agriculture Research Institute. Where is Indian Agriculture Research Institute situated? The correct answer is option number B, New Delhi. Last question. Algerian author Abdullah Assouzi wins $50,000 international prize for Arabic fiction for which novel? The correct answer is option number C, The Spartan Court.
So thank you very much. Keep learning and meet you next time with some more important questions of current affairs.